Share free NSE4_FGT 7.2 real questions. Who has used and passed the Fortinet NSE4 Fortios 7.2 exam? 1. In which two ways can RPF checking be disabled? Choose 2. A. Enable anti-replay in firewall policy. B. Disable the RPF check at the FortiGate interface level for the source check. C. Enable asymmetric routing. D. Disable strict ARC check under system settings. Answer: C, D. 2. Which two statements are correct regarding FortiGate FSSO agentless polling mode? Choose 2. A. FortiGate points the collector agent to use a remote LDAP server. B. FortiGate uses the AD server as the collector agent. C. FortiGate uses the SMB protocol to read the event viewer logs from the DCs. D. FortiGate queries AD by using the LDAP to retrieve user group information. Answer: C, D. 3. A network administrator is configuring a new IPsec VPN tunnel on FortiGate. The remote peer IP address is dynamic. In addition, the remote peer does not support a dynamic DNS update service. What type of remote gateway should the administrator configure on FortiGate for the new IPsec VPN tunnel to work? A. Static IP address. B. Dial-up user. C. Dynamic DNS. D. Pre-shared key. Answer: B. 4. Which two statements are true when FortiGate is in transparent mode? Choose 2. A. By default, all interfaces are part of the same broadcast domain. B. The existing network IP schema must be changed when installing a transparent mode. C. Static routes are required to allow traffic to the next hop. D. FortiGate forwards frames without changing the MAC address. Answer: A, D. 5. Which statement about video filtering on FortiGate is true? A. Full SSL inspection is not required. B. It is available only on a proxy-based firewall policy. C. It inspects video files hosted on file-sharing services. D. Video filtering FortiGuard categories are based on web filter FortiGuard categories. Answer: B. 6. Which of statement is true about SSL VPN web mode? A. The tunnel is up while the client is connected. B. It supports a limited number of protocols. C. The external network application sends data through the VPN. D. It assigns a virtual IP address to the client. Answer: B. 7. What are two functions of ZTNA? Choose 2. A. ZTNA manages access through the client only. B. ZTNA manages access for remote users only. C. ZTNA provides a security posture check. D. ZTNA provides role-based access. Answer: C, D. 8. Which two statements are correct regarding FortiGate HA cluster virtual IP addresses? Choose 2. A. Heartbeat interfaces have virtual IP addresses that are manually assigned. B. A change in the virtual IP address happens when a FortiGate device joins or leaves the cluster. C. Virtual IP addresses are used to distinguish between cluster members. D. The primary device in the cluster is always assigned IP address 169.254.0.1. Answer. B. D. 9. An administrator has configured two-factor authentication to strengthen SSL VPN access. Which additional best practice can an administrator implement? A. Configure source IP pools. B. Configure split tunneling in tunnel mode. C. Configure different SSL VPN realms. D. Configure host check. Answer. D. 10. FortiGate is configured as a policy-based next-generation firewall, NGFW, and is applying web filtering and application control directly on the security policy. Which two other security profiles can you apply to the security policy? Choose 2. A. Antivirus scanning. B. File filter. C. DNS filter. D. Intrusion prevention. Answer. A. D.